AirData, a drone fleet data management platform serving commercial, public safety, and government operators, announced on January 27, 2026, that its platform is now available in 8 languages. The expanded language support English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, and Hebrew is now live across both the web application and mobile apps. The platform automatically detects and displays the interface in a user's preferred language based on their device or browser settings, requiring no manual configuration, plugins, or external translation tools. This multilingual capability extends across all core workflows for daily drone fleet operations, including flight management, reporting, and compliance documentation, streamlining drone operations across multilingual teams. The expansion addresses growing demand from international customers operating distributed drone fleets across multiple regions. According to AirData CEO Eran Steiner, native platform translation reduces pilot friction and helps teams more easily meet compliance requirements across diverse, multilingual fleets. For drone operators managing teams across different countries or regions, language barriers can complicate critical operational workflows. By offering native platform translation, AirData enables pilots to navigate the interface, execute missions, and complete compliance reporting in their preferred language, potentially reducing errors and improving operational efficiency. Supporting global compliance and safety, international drone operations require adherence to region specific regulations and airspace considerations. The multilingual interface helps distributed teams maintain consistent compliance standards regardless of their location or primary language. Our international customer base spans a wide range of industries and language preferences, Steiner noted. With increasing adoption across Europe, Africa, Central, and South America, native platform translation allows pilots to operate and report in the language they're most comfortable using, supporting safer operations and more consistent compliance. AirData processes an average of 25,000 flights daily across its platform, which serves over 400,000 users globally. The company has processed more than 58 million flights to date, storing high-resolution data for flight analysis, safety monitoring, and maintenance tracking. The company indicated plans to continue expanding localized support, including additional languages and region-specific compliance features tailored to emerging markets. This ongoing development reflects AirData's commitment to serving the growing global commercial drone market. More information is available from AirData's website.